You know, when I wasn't going to run in 2020.
All right, let's look at the facts.
It's easy for you to say.
Because I had lost my son in Iraq, because of Iraq in 2015. Jim couldn't be here today, but he and I spoke on that day in June 2022. 2024, January 2025.
Boy, if that isn't the pot calling the kettle black.
2024. 2023. 2000. In 2020, 50, 2021, 23.
This show is some freaky shit.
Wrong again, wimp.
2023 to 2020 Houston Astros, 2022 Houston Astros.
There's clearly some dementia. He's not lucid.
2020 will be 2030, I should say. May 9, 2019.
What in the hell are you talking about?